Freaking rocket that went sideways, man, or whatever. It didn't fully go up. I mean, it's freaking nighttime. There's no other clouds around or nothing. There's no other anything around. Oh, I zoomed out. It changes my phone's all messed up. My cell phone case. Whoa. That thing's booking it left. Wow. Or south or whatever. I mean, it's going that way and it's... Oh, is it going down now? Oh. It's not even moving anymore. Wow. What the heck was that? Huh. Wow. The Elon Musk's or Starlink or all that or whatever, NASA, man. Whoa. Huh. Interesting. Well, that was that. Don't know. Trippy. Trippy, man. Trippy.